If you've ever woken up one day, thought to yourself, I should do this, in reference to some wonderful idea you had earlier, then congratulations. You've fallen in line with 100% of all humans to have ever walked the planet. So what actually allows us to differentiate ourselves? What isolates the successful people from every other person? Motivation. That's the answer. But what I'm referring to here isn't the 73 hours of motivational videos you've consumed. It's not the thousands of pages of self-help books or the dozens of songs in your Psych Up playlist on Spotify. It isn't something that you project onto other people. It's something you create in yourself. It comes from a place of desire, lust to pursue, to create, to be. We don't use discipline to motivate ourselves. We use motivation to discipline ourselves. I'm not going to sit here and try and motivate you to do what you love. No one needs to be told to pursue their passion. If you have a passion, and you know your passion, you will be pursuing it. Unfortunately, my experience in life has taught me that either most people haven't found their passion, or most people's passion is being mediocre. If you're happy being mediocre, leave this right here and don't come back. If you have a passion, please continue listening. Go all in on your passion. Take everything you have and bet it on your passion. If you aren't willing to do that, then it isn't your passion. Wake the fuck up and do it. Stop waiting around and expecting something to happen because you sometimes have heated debates with your father about certain things. That doesn't make you passionate. Passion is diving headfirst and saying, fuck you dad, watch me win. And if you dedicate yourself, and you actually bet your everything on your passion, you will win. You might not be rich, you might end up dirt poor, but you will be happy, and that's what matters. Don't motivate yourself. Be yourself. Just do it. I love you. You've got this. Written and read with extra love. Ryan, not a Nike commercial, Sylvester.
The podcast you just heard was made using Anchor. Ever thought about making your own podcast? Anchor makes it really easy for anyone to get started. It's a one-stop shop for recording, hosting, and distributing podcasts. Best of all, it's 100% free. Sign up now at anchor.fm/noon. That's anchor.fm/noon to get started.